nieces and nephews, welcome back to Auntie Nell's Kitchen. To my new subscribers, I welcome you. And I hope you continue to stick around, okay? And if you would, hit that like button, okay? Okay, today we are going to be making some chili. Yes, Auntie's chili. You know they're going to go good with those whole cakes I made earlier, right? So we're going to make this chili. So if you give me a moment, I'm going to do a flip and a swip. But first, I got to get my housekeeping out the way. Thank you all for your love and support to my channel. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, okay? All right, let's do this flip and a swip, and we're going to get started, and I'll show you everything that you need so you can make Auntie's chili, okay? Hold on. Don't go anywhere. 1 chopped onion, small chopped. 1 small chopped bell pepper. 2 tablespoons of dark chili powder. And 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 can of chili beans in chili sauce. Now those were the red beans. 1 can of black beans, chili beans in chili sauce. 1 can of yellow corn, drained. Gotta drain it. 1 can of chili tomatoes. 1 can of their chili ready tomatoes. 1 28-ounce can of tomato sauce. You may need 2, so have 2 on hand. I have 2 cans on hand. And 1.5 pounds of ground meat. You can use ground turkey, ground lamb, ground chicken, or ground beef, okay? So first we're going to get our veggies, and our veggies sauteed just a little bit, and then we'll add our ground meat to it, okay? I'm using olive oil to saute my veggies in to get them started. Get all that goodness out. Now you can spice this up by adding cayenne pepper, hot sauce, or crushed red pepper to your taste. Okay, this is 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef. And I'm going to leave this alone. Let it be. Until it starts browning. Okay. Now we have our meat. Didn't have to drain this because this is a very lean ground beef. I'm going to go ahead and add my corn that's been drained and rinsed off. Yeah, I don't use the water. And I like to rinse it off. Goodness. Going to add my black chili beans in that chili sauce. I just like corn and 2 types of beans in my recipe. You get all that goodness out. Add my chili beans, my red beans, and add my chili ready tomatoes. Now if you want extra tomatoes, you can add another can if you want to. And I'm going to go ahead and add my tomato sauce. I'm going to be adding both cans. I'm going to add 2 cans. And to this, I'm adding 2 cans of tomato sauce. I'm going to add 1 can of water. Let me get some water. And my chili powder and salt. Black pepper. Using some peppercorns. And I'm going to give this some, start stirring this up and get all these spices blended together. Forgot to add one more thing, a little bit of hot sauce. Just a little bit. I'm stir, make sure everything, that chili powder is dissolved. And I'm going to let this simmer for about 30 minutes. I'm going to cover it. Yeah, when you cook this, let it always cover it and simmer it covered. Okay, because that holds all the flavor in. Okay, get all those aromatics, whatever the word is, all going through there. Okay, so I'll be right back after this simmers 30 minutes. Go, nieces and nephews, look at all that goodness. All that goodness right in here. Get your bowl. Got you a good ladle. Don't judge me. Spoon some of that goodness in here. Make sure you get some of this goodness right here, honey, because you want to sop that whole cake up in there, and your crackers or cornbread, whatever you got going on with it. Look at that, look at that. That's what I'm talking about, nieces and nephews. And it's cold out there, the wind is blowing. This is perfect. Sit back, put on some Netflix, Amazon, whatever you streaming, and kick back, put your feet up, and just chill with a nice bowl of Auntie's chili, okay? Thank you guys for watching my video on Auntie's chili, my style of chili, okay? You can, like I said, you want to jazz up the spice, and you can go ahead, Caitlin, go ahead, you can get it. You want to jazz up the spice in it, add you some crushed red pepper, some cayenne, some jalapenos, whatever spice that you want to add into it, whatever amount of heat or any kind of heat you want to add to it. You can do it because it'll be your recipe, and you can do it whatever you want, any way you want to do it, okay? So until the next upload, go be you, but be great being you. And I will see you later. Tight hugs and kisses. Love you guys. Bye.